I'm Jason.
And I'm Caesar.
And we're excited to be here today to talk to you about thread identification process. Being able to quickly and efficiently identify threads will elevate your counter business, ensure future business, and address customer pain points.
So many of our distributors have a customer come in, lay down a hose assembly, and ask for a replacement. Generally, the hose is as easy to identify thanks to the lay line. After the hose is identified, the thread ends will need to be identified. Gates has a three-step process to help you identify threads and complete a full assembly. First, the seal type must be determined. The second step is to make a visual identification. The third and final step is to measure the thread. In this video, Jason and I will be offering a more in-depth explanation of these steps to help you confidently identify threads and create an assembly.
When you look at the coupling anatomy, there are two parts: the stem that goes into the hose and the termination that goes into the port or the adapter. Both are described by size and type. Once you know your hose, then you know your stem, size, and type. For example, wire braid hose uses wire braid couplings. For today's discussion, we're going to be focusing on the termination, size, and type.
Gates provides you with several different tools to help you identify the thread end. This includes thread ID kits, wall charts, and our catalog.
They're very easy to use, Caesar. The thread ID kits for the metric thread ends, you'll have the red and green plugs, and it also includes the pocket ID kit. The North American Thread Kit has the blue and the gray plug gauges and the Thread ID kit. You can also get the Thread ID kit by itself, making it all very easy for you to do thread identification. In addition to these great tools, the three-step process can also be found in the Gates Hydraulic Product Catalog.
To get these, contact your local Gates representative. Thread seal in three different ways: thread interference, mated angle, and O-ring. For this training, we are going to focus on the common thread ends. Thread interference are your pipe threads. Mated angle seal are your JIC 37 and SAE 45. O-ring seals are your O-ring boss, O-ring flange, and O-ring face seal.
So between the catalog, the plug and cap kit, or the Thread ID kit, you can become an expert in thread identification. For more information or additional training, contact your Gates Hydraulic sales rep today.
Hello friends, my name is Ahuja. My company, Hydraulics and Pneumatics, part of Ahuja Group, is the authorized dealer for Gates hydraulic hoses. We have a state-of-the-art plant for manufacturing fittings and crimping hoses with Uniflex Germany machines, and every hose is tested before it is dispatched. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.